Welcome to Atour X Hotel Suzhou Xiangcheng Huoli Island Metro Station, your gateway to modern elegance in the heart of Suzhou. Begin your journey with us by scanning the QR code or by reading the description for an effortlessly smooth booking experience. Nestled just a short 5-kilometer journey from the bustling city center and conveniently located a mere 36-minute drive from the airport, our 4-star haven presents an unparalleled blend of convenience and contemporary luxury. Opened in 2021 and recently renewed in 2023, the hotel's design reflects a commitment to modern aesthetics and thoughtful comfort. Each of our 181 well-appointed rooms is designed to provide ample space and serenity, ensuring a truly relaxing stay. Check-in commences at 2 p.m., inviting you to unwind and settle into your sanctuary. Family travelers will be delighted by our child-friendly policy, where children aged 2 to 12 can stay free of charge. Explore a curated selection of shops designed to enchant and entertain. Indulge in our exquisite breakfast offerings to start your day, and maintain your wellness routine with complimentary access to our state-of-the-art fitness center. Atour X Hotel Suzhou Xiangcheng Huoli Island Metro Station. We are dedicated to crafting an exceptional experience, promising a seamless blend of relaxation, exploration, and the utmost in modern convenience. We eagerly await your arrival. Please remember to scan the QR code to reserve your luxurious escape today.